Hello everyone and welcome to my other video in which I'll be talking about dark physics. And this time it's going to be about dark matter. What's the matter? Okay, besides uh, dark matter is just like our matter. Or at least almost, because it isn't identical one to one. Why did I say that? I mean it of course it. But if it's one to one, then of course it's identical. Yeah, I really cannot get my thoughts now. I said that wrong. Oh wait. So, dark matter is created from dark atoms. They are of course a bit different, and that matter also is a bit different because it doesn't have magnetism, but I don't know if it has weak and strong. However, that is called. And besides that, it can create some things, let's say. They're more like constructs of stars, planets. Yes, the black holes are made of them, but not only. How was it created? I have two theories about this. Because of course I do, because you cannot be... For some weird reason you cannot be certain in dark physics. I mean, you always have to have two theories. I don't know why, but you just have to. Because one might be wrong and the other one is right. And both seem just as possible. So the first one is that it's created from dark energy, and the other one is that dark energy, let's say, powers in. No, not powers, but or pours in. Oh, like that, yeah. Pours in. And because of that, it has, well, stronger gravity, but at the same time doesn't react with. Oh, wait, I've said that already. How to detect it? Good question. Yeah, you can. You could theoretically detect it, but you would need to a way to calculate it. Hmm. Uh, what are other things that I could talk about? Hmm. Does it interact with our matter? Only in gravity. So it can only pull using gravity, otherwise it cannot really. Oh, right. And why are these two theories as have the same probability? Because the first one, the base E equals mc squared. The second one explains why you cannot go faster than light. But that would be a bit more advanced, so let's not talk about this here. It's going to be for future videos when I'll explain more. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll gladly answer them, because I want to develop more of this, but because it isn't really, and as you can see, I don't really know much about it, even with myself and spending like a year trying to develop this. Of course, I didn't use too much time, so gave it too much time. So it isn't really developed. Hmm. Most of the time, it clusters between, no, not between, around well, other things with matter. Or maybe it's the other way around that matter. Maybe, who knows? Wow, yeah. Wow, I really cannot find too much more to say, but at the same time I should. I really need to learn to talk English. I mean, come on, I really cannot. Editor, you could really stop laughing at me. I can see that. Yes, I'm talking to you. Okay, go. I said something. Didn't I? Okay, going back to what I was talking about. Uh, is there really not much more to say? No way. Alright, how to calculate it? I don't know because I'm not really good at mathematics, sadly. If I was a if I was better at them, maybe I could, but otherwise I don't really know what I could try to calculate to use it. So if you have any ideas, drop them down in the comment because I want to develop this as much as possible. So every question is needed. Uh, it most probably existed before even the universe existed, but that would be for another video. So let's not talk about this here. Second time I said that. Wow, I'm really original. Editor. Come on, there has to be a bit more to say. Alright, and it isn't like the dark matter you might have heard of that scientists think about. It's different because it's like our matter but more complicated and weirder. Yeah, it cannot interact with photons because, well, it does not have any amount of electromagnetism in it, so that's why we cannot see it. It could only bend the way the light goes. Otherwise, you can't really see it. Hmm. And I think it's all for this one since I cannot really remember much more about it. I'm going to say this third time, but if you have any ideas, drop them down in the comment section. Because I really do not know what to talk about more. And it's no use to try and make this video longer. It will most probably take still a while, so till the next one, in which one I'll be talking about in which I'll be talking about mathematics. Bye.